Alright, what's up guys? I hope you guys are doing good today. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my new strategy. So I've been backtesting the strategy for the past 3 months, and I have a screenshot with notes of this past month alone. So right there, as you can see. So I figured out the best time frame, the best pair, the best everything, and I'm going to share with you guys my strategy. So I'm going to be start trading it from this Monday. So let's see. So from March 3, I'm going to start trading it. So if you guys want to tap in, just subscribe. I'm going to be doing daily recaps on it, and yeah. So let's start. So I'm going to be backtesting in this video from 24 to 28, so this week. So the best pair, the best time frame, everything that you need, guys, I already figured it out. So we're gonna be using NASDAQ future, 4-hour, 1-hour time frame for analysis, 5-minute for entry and confirmation. Indicators, you just need Asia session and London session open to close, and those are new days. So Monday, as you can see down there, Tuesday, and yeah. The indicator I'm using are there, but honestly you can just place them yourself, but it's easier like that. Okay, now this is basically a summary of my trades. If you guys want to take a screenshot or a picture, it's here. All right, so basically what I'm doing on the higher time frame, let me put this right there. So on the higher time frame, I'm marking up the Asia, the London session, and the previous day's highs and low from high to low. Okay, so let's do it live right there. I'm going to remove this. So you just mark it up. So right there, right there, right there, just like that. And the previous day's high was so high that I just didn't place it. From there, you look for any fair value gaps on the 4-hour. I didn't see any. Scale down to the 1-hour. I didn't see any either, except this one. So we mark it up. Like I said, higher time frame, we just mark everything up. You guys will see as I backtest further, you would understand more. Now that we've done everything here, go on the 5-minute. Okay, 24 Monday. And now what we're looking for is after 9, because we trade New York session. So 9 to 11, we look for trades. What I'm looking for, any of the lines that I marked up, I need a candle to fill it and reject. So, and then I need another confirmation to confirm the trade is good so I can enter right away. So for example, very simple here, at 9, because we look for trade after 9, at 9, this filled in this line that I marked up and then rejected. So this is perfect. From there, I know this zone is valid, or should I say this line is valid. So once another candle from the 5-minute time frame tap in it again, I'm in. So as you can see, this candle tapped in again, and from there I'm in. Now I'm risking 25 stop loss for 50 take profit. So a 1 to 2 RR. What you can do is either aim for the same as me, so a 1 to 2 risk to reward, or you could aim for the next line. So next line would be right there. So right there, and you can move your stop loss for a better, just in case it comes back or anything. But me personally, I would aim for 1 to 2. And if I see the movement, so if I see this day has a lot of volume going in and everything, I could aim for the next line to the next line. And yeah, but if you want to be safe, right there I typed it. It's better. 1 to 2 risk to reward is safer and more consistent. If you want to leave a runner, you can just break even at example 1 to 1 and just leave a runner after that. So from there, we took the trade. Now, let's say if this candle, the body would have closed above the line, then the setup is no more valid. So we have to wait either for it to break the line, so go down again and do a new rejection, and then from another candle we can enter again. Or let's say it doesn't even break the line, just go up. We'll have to basically just wait until it does the same thing. We only want the wick above the line or below the line, depends. No body. So let's go to the next day so I can show you guys. All right. Next day, we do the same thing. So we mark everything up. Right there, right there, right there. Asia low would be right there. And then from there, you look for any fair value gaps on the higher time frame. As seen, this 4 hour right there. Mark it up. Scale down. You scale down to adjust it if needed. From what I can see, it's perfect right there. And then, did I see any other? I've seen those one right there. So let's say this one. Now you go on the 5 minute. 25. And now we look for the same thing that I told you guys. After 9, as I can see, 9 filled in and rejected. From there, the setup is already valid. Just take it. As we can see, next candle, 9:10. We came into the zone, so I enter right away. Second candle, you enter right away if the first candle was a good, according to your setup, according to this setup. So from there, I'm in. Now, you can aim to the next line, to whatever line, okay? But it may come back to you, or you just aim 1 to 2 right there. If you want to aim to the line, nice 5x return, 5 RR. And this is another day right there. Let's go to the next one. So we did Tuesday, now Wednesday. Same thing. Mark everything up. So yeah, this strategy is very just easy. You already have your setup, you just follow your setup. Mark everything up. There's no, this candle tapped into this demand zone, or this setup is invalid anymore, or I don't know what. What I mean is it's very easy to understand. If it taps in the second time and the first one, like I explained, so I don't know, I'm just yapping at this point. So anyway, let's do this Wednesday. I marked everything up except, no, I did. Okay. Any fair value gaps on the 4 hour? Let's see. We see in this one right there. And I didn't see any other. Go on the 1 hour. Adjusted if needed. Now it's adjusted. Already you can see at 11 we got this. So that was a beautiful one. But let's go on the 5 minute. 26. But yeah, what I was saying is this setup is very easy. So you can't really, how can I say, miss the trade or do stupid things. It's there. You just need to follow it, basically. That's what I'm saying. So this is a perfect example, actually. So let's get into it. 9. Okay. 9, 10. We go underneath this structure, this line, okay? So the setup is no valid because all of this is a body and not a wick. You guys understand? So from there, we just wait. Next candle, 9:15. Perfect. That's our first confirmation. We only have a wick from there. So from there, once the new candle come to this zone again, I'm in. And as you guys can see, 1 to 2, or you aim to the next zone that I marked up, and you guys can see perfectly. And even this new zone, which is probably, yeah, Asia low, okay? As you can see here, first confirmation, only wick above the line, perfect. From the second one I can enter, and from there, legit bull run if you guys hold it more. So that's beautiful. Let's get into the next day. So yeah, that's what I was explaining from right there. If first candle reject, wait for the second one to do the same and enter right away. So that's what we were doing. But Wednesday, if candle break through the line, wait for another setup, okay, or break of structure. So we wait for another setup, which it just came back, only the wick, and from there we got our entry again. Okay, next day. So yeah, when I finish this video, if you guys want to go back test it, see how it works for you guys. Me, like I said, I'm gonna start using it for, Monday, so we'll see. Pretty simple, no noise, no nothing, straight to the point. If it hits, it hits. You take the rejection. Like I said, everything is simple. All right, we marked up everything. Go on the 4 hour. Didn't see any fair value gaps. Go on the 1 hour. I seen this little one. Mark it up. Go on the 5 minute. Thursday. Now, on the 5 minute, our fair value cap, as you guys can see, it's no longer valid because we can see 830. So above the 9. What is the thing I was gonna say? Above the 9. Before the 9 hour candle, as you guys can see, there's a lot of candle in between. So this is no valid. So you take this fair value cap and you start moving it till you see where it's valid. So from there, this makes sense. As we can see, before the 9, we have the rejection from there. So we know this is the actual fair value gap. Because on the higher time frame, you get the idea. The further you go down, the more refined you can find your fair value gap. Okay, so right there. From there, we start 9. 9 we're right there. Okay. 905, perfect. We rejected only wicks. From there, we're looking for the next candle to come into the zone so we can enter. As you guys can see, 930 we're in, and again 122. You wanna hold for more? Hold for more. Hold for more. What is this? A 10x 10 RR? That's crazy. 10 RR. Yeah. Let's go to the next one. And now we're Friday. Yeah, Friday. Pretty simple, guys. So like I said, if you guys just enjoyed this video, please subscribe. That's all I ask for. That's it. Now let's do Friday so we can be done with it. All right. Sorry. Any fair value gaps? I've seen this on the 1 hour. And yeah, that's about it. Go on the 5 minute. Make sure everything looks good. As we can see, before the 9, the fair value gaps already got filled by 8, but we trade after, so at 9. From there, same thing. This is another example of the candle breaking through it. So let's see. This breaks. Okay, no trade, no nothing yet. It breaks entirely, no problem. We're not in a trade. We're not catching quick entries, getting into a sell just because it's going down. No, follow the setup. Next candle, 940, we got the wick rejection. Perfect. From there, like I said, we're waiting for it again to come so we can enter. So this is our confirmation basically. And right there, 955, we're in. Like I said, 1 to 2, you want to aim for more, aim for more. It filled in this fair value gap, rejected. So if you guys would have broke even, or you guys probably got stopped out right there. If you guys are aiming for more, of course. If you're aiming for 1 to 2, RR right there. If you left a runner, first line, second line, third line, again, 5x, 5 RR return. It's just crazy. You guys can go back test it more. So this week alone, this strategy worked 100%, 100% win rate. Now, like I showed you guys everything here, this is a 1 month straight back test. From there, I probably got like 4 lost, 4 L's I mean, and the all other one are basically played out. So you just need to be careful of news, high impact news basically, but that's about it. Works perfectly, very simple to understand. Here, if you guys want to see it again, here. If all done correctly, we rich. If you mess around, stay broke. All right, see you guys in the next one. Thanks.